I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain who is the leader of Poppy Playtime. The true mastermind behind the horrors of Playtime Company is a shadowy figure known only as the Prototype, or Experiment 1006. This enigmatic entity is the overarching antagonist, pulling the strings from the deepest, darkest corners of the abandoned toy factory. Its presence is felt throughout the facility, influencing events and controlling other monstrous toys. Yet its full form has never been clearly revealed, making it a truly terrifying and mysterious leader. The origins of Experiment 1006 are deeply rooted in Playtime Company's dark history, specifically the Bigger Bodies Initiative. This program aimed to transfer human consciousness into large toy bodies, and the prototype is widely considered the very first successful, albeit horrific, outcome. Its creation was a pivotal moment, leading to the factory's eventual downfall and the transformation of many innocent employees into the monstrous toys we encounter today. This experiment set the stage for all the chaos that followed. The prototype exhibits an unsettling level of intelligence and strategic prowess, far beyond that of other toys. It masterfully manipulates creatures like Mommy Longlegs, who, in her final moments, expressed fear of being part of him. This suggests the prototype's chilling objective: to assimilate other experiments, absorbing their parts and abilities to complete its own monstrous form. Its unseen influence guides the factory's horrors, making it a truly formidable and calculating leader. The prototype's sinister legacy permeates every corner of the Playtime Company factory, directly impacting the player's harrowing journey. Its experiments and manipulations are the root cause of the facility's desolate and dangerous state, turning once beloved toys into terrifying adversaries. To truly understand the full scope of the horrors within, and to potentially find a way to stop them, one must confront the mystery and immense power of Experiment 1006, the true leader of this twisted world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.